This video is going to explain how to use different features of Sheets in order to create a graph. It's based on an experiment of reaction time. So if you go to this second sheet, you'll see the learning goals are here. We're going to use average, rounding, sorting functions, and the count and quick sum functions in order to get some data that we can graph. So first steps on the graphing. Number one, calculate average for each person's trials in column F. So here's column F. I want to go to this blank cell and I'm going to start by writing in equals. Oh, it gives me a formula, but if I didn't know that, I could type in average. And then I want to indicate uh, with a bracket from where to where I want the average calculated. So I can click and hold on those cells to select them, put a bracket, and it gives me the calculation when I hit enter. Go back up to this cell and I can make my life really easy by clicking it, moving my cursor over the square box, dragging down, and what's going to happen is it's going to drag the formula, copy it, and calculate all of those averages. Number two, I am going to round to the nearest whole. So in this column, G, I'm going to click and I'm going to type this formula that you have been given. So it's round. And which cell do you want to round? I want to round F, and I want it rounded to 0 decimal places. I put a bracket and hit enter. Now, look at this. It is too long. If I click and select the column and this arrow, I can get rid of these decimals and make it just one cell. The other thing I can do is I can go up to format. I can format the number and I can, let's see if I can put it into just a number. Oh, it still has two decimal places. I can get rid of the decimals like this. Okay, I want to do the same thing that I did last time. I want to drag down in order to copy the formula, and there are my averages rounded. Step three, I want to sort the data by rounded average. Now, okay, in order to sort, I need to select an area to sort. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to drag, and I'm going to select my data. I'm going to release. I'm going to go up here to the menu data. And in there, I find a whole bunch of sorts, but I want to actually sort it by range. Click sort by range. I know that I selected the header. So I want to indicate that. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to choose, I want to sort by average rounded. Click sort and look at this. It has now sorted my data from lowest to highest. Okay, excellent. Next step, step four, tally or count the number in each tally range and put it into the tally table. Here's my tally table. Okay, so from 0 to 5, I don't see any averages. So that would be a 0. 6 to 10, well, there's an 8. So that would be 1 student falls in that range. 11 to 15. So there we have 5 students. 16 to 20. Let's check that out. Here they are. Look at this nice little feature actually. As I select those down in this bottom right corner, it's actually counting them for me. So I will put 11 in there. Let's keep trying that. So the range 21 to 25. 21 to 25. Here it is. Look at that. It's counted 9. Love it. Okay, put that in there. 26 to 30. Let's see how many we have. 26 to 30. Looks like I have, 26, right, there we go. That would be 3. Okay, there was 1 left over and none in the 36 to 40 range. Okay, so I've done that. And what I need to do at this point is I need to graph the results, but I'm going to save that for another video.